Hey guys, it's me, the Happy Cultivator, and I'm coming to you with another unboxing. So what I have here is the Blade drone from Horizon Hobby. This is a small drone that is FPV equipped and has an HD camera installed. It has a special technology called safe technology, which allows for easier flying for beginner and novice flyers. It says here it has Inductrix FPV HD, high definition FPV micro drone. So that's right, this is a micro drone. As you can see, it comes from Horizon Hobby, sealed with their little factory seal here. So it says here, a new HD FPV experience, flight ready and feature packed. The Blade Inductrix FPV HD micro drone offers a uniquely easy and exciting HD FPV experience. Just add your smart device to view and record your flights. So here's all the things that this has. It's got the HD camera that records in 1080p at 60 FPS. Then you have that exclusive safe technology. Powerful 8.5 millimeter coreless motors, an ultra low frequency, high quality FPV, innovative meow mode feature allows you to flip over after a crash. I'm really interested in how that works. It says it has a barometric altitude hold flight mode, which allows you to set the height above ground, and then the drone will just stay flying at that height. You can turn your phone into a headset. So you can put this into a VR headset. Put your phone in the VR headset and you can fly it that way. It has a 2.4 gigahertz 6-channel transmitter and a memory card slot. So you can record it directly onto your memory card, and it also wirelessly throws the video feed to your smart device. It says right here, the Inductrix FPV HD micro drone's low latency, high frequency FPV camera uses an amplified Wi-Fi signal to send beautifully immersive, high quality live images straight to your Android or Apple smart device. Simply slide your device into the headset adapter and it becomes your FPV goggles. An onboard SD memory card can record what your Inductrix FPV HD camera sees in brilliant 1080p 60 FPS video. Set the camera angle by adjusting its articulating mount. Wirelessly download HD footage to your cell phone and show it to the world on your social media. Okay, let's go ahead and open this box up. So all I got to do here is pop this little seal from Horizon. Seal's popped. So let's flip this box over and open it up and see what comes inside. And there you go. Nice. All right, here's your open box. Stored in here quite nicely. It's got a really nice hard plastic. It's got these bump outs here that keep the box from crushing into it. It does say here that the radio needs to be charged before operation, so it obviously has a rechargeable battery within the controller. Here we have your lithium battery. Here you have your LiPo charger and your little drone. Then we have a little box here. So let's see what's in the mystery box. They must have known I was doing this with one hand. All right, let's see what we got in here. Oh, check that out. There's your VR goggles. So this is for your smartphone, so you can pop your smartphone in and go ahead and throw those on your face and fly at VR. We'll see. I don't know if I'll give that a try or not. I don't know if I'm that brave. So there's your VR. We're going to put these back in the box. Close them all up and that'll keep everything nice. Okay, so we've got the VR back in the box. We'll set that right back in there. All right, so now let's go ahead and pull this out and see if there's anything underneath. And of course there is. So here underneath is a USB cable and your instruction book with a quick start guide. I'm going to open this up and see if there's anything else in there. So this is what came inside the Ziploc bag. There's your USB. Then we have the instruction manual with the quick start. That's the instruction manual. And then we have this other little piece of paper in here. So let's see what this is. So this is just basically a lithium battery safety guideline that they've put in with this, which is pretty good idea, as lithium ion batteries, they can explode. To put it bluntly. So yeah, do not leave LiPo batteries charging overnight because you could have a meltdown. So make sure that you keep an eye on your charging batteries, guys. Okay, we'll put that stuff in the bottom of the box. Now, let's go ahead and take out the drone itself. Okay, so I've set the plastic aside there so we can take out the drone. So first thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and take out this controller here. And as you see, it is very game controller-like, and then you just pop that up and the smartphone clicks right into there. You have your on-off, your start-stop. You got your digital trims there. And then pretty simple flight controls. And it is a rechargeable battery in here. It does have a camera button on there. It's got 3 different modes. So it's got a picture button and then a camcorder button. And then there is your charging input. So that's the controller. We'll go ahead and set that down. Now we have your lithium polymer battery. Then you have your LiPo battery right there. Your LiPo charger right there. This seems to be the new thing that most RCs are going to, is these USB chargers. Haven't decided what I think about that yet. And then here you go. There's your little micro drone. Pretty cool. It's got black blades on one side, white blades on the other, so you can tell forward, backward kind of a thing. You have your battery hookup there, and looks like the LiPo just kind of slides underneath there. So that's it. I mean, that's the little Inductrix FPV HD blade. So that's basically it, guys. That's the unboxing of the Blade micro drone with the Inductrix FPV HD camera from Horizon Hobby. So with that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.